Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In this video, we'll be looking at the laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms. Logarithms are just the inverse of indices. The inverse of indices. So we'll look at the laws of indices in this video. Logarithms in this video. The first law we're going to look at is if we have log in base a to the power of b, log b in base a plus log c in base a, then your result will be log b times c all in base a. Okay, so the base are the same. With addition, you can multiply the logarithms, okay, and get this. Then the b, or the second law, is a similar one. It's a similar one. I have log a, log b to base a plus log c to base a. Sorry, rather here should be minus, is equal to log b divided by c to base a. So when it is subtraction, you divide the logarithms. When it is addition, you multiply the logarithms. Okay. Then the third one we'll look at in this video is if we have log b raised to the power of c to base a, log b to the power of c to base a, you can as well write this as c. This comes here and multiply log a to the power of b. So you discover that these laws are just the inverse or reverse process of indices. Okay, and in our last video we saw the relationship between logarithms and indices, how you transform logarithm expressions to indicial expressions. Okay, so we can take some examples. Let's see how we can use these laws. Examples, let's say write this as single logarithms. So let's see the first one. Let's say number one, suppose we have log 5 to base 3 plus log 4 to base 3. So we can write this as a single logarithm. We can just write this applying this first law. The base is 3, so we can say this is log 3. Then since it's addition, we can multiply the logarithm. So we have 5 times 4. Okay, so here we say the base are the same, so we have that. And since it's addition, you multiply the logarithm, so we have this. So our final answer becomes log 3, and here becomes 20. Pretty easy, right? So in our subsequent videos, we'll see how to simplify further after learning some other laws. Okay, so that is the result for this. We just wrote this as a single logarithm. So let's take another example. Suppose we have number 2, suppose we have log 3, or let's say log 15 minus log 5. Now, in this question, you discover that I did not write the base. Okay, so in any logarithm question where you see that the base is not written, it means that logarithm is in base 10. So this can be written as base 10, and this can also be written as base 10. Okay, so in logarithms question where the base are omitted, it means the logarithm is in base 10. Okay, taken. Right, let's finish up this now with using the law, second law. Using the second law, we say this is log 10. This becomes 15 minus, so we're going to divide, divided by 5. So this gives us log 10. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, so that's it. That's the result. So you can otherwise write it as log 3. You can write like this. You can write like this. Okay.